Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of Gemini Enterprise in 2 minutes. We are going to use Gemini Enterprise, and this agent is going to look at this video to find out any OSHA safety violations. Let's look at the video. Wonderful. So a very simple exercise. In the next 2 minutes, you are going to create an agent in Gemini Enterprise. And then we are going to analyze any video of any construction or maintenance or OEM manufacturing site to analyze the video. And the output is going to look like this. When I say, please analyze the video and list all the compliance and violations in a tables timestamp, it's going to give me details of this video with timestamps, the observation, and what violations and compliance happen in this video. Let's create this in the next couple of minutes. So let's start with this. For all of us, what I have done is in the description section of the video, you will find an agent title, agent description, agent instructions, model, and all the details that you need to create for this video. And then you also find the GitHub link. On the GitHub link, you will have the files, and you can download this file for this exercise. All right, so let's do it. I'm going to show you how to create an agent within 2 minutes. So you go to the Gemini Enterprise. You need to have Gemini Enterprise for this. Click on New Agent, and this is your agent designer. Here you can design agents. Click on Proceed to Builder, and you would see an agent like this here. Very simple. Click here, and the name, description, and the instructions you provide based on the file that we have. So agent title is OSHA Inspector Agent. I'm going to add demo. You can add and make changes that the way you like. Add the description. I'm going to add the description here. And then agent instructions. So you have everything listed here. Just copy and paste here. It gives you details. You can read the instructions. Select a model. I want to select 3.1010. Leave as everything as is and click on create. That's it. Voila. Your agent is created successfully, and now I can chat with the agent. So let's do a chat. I'm going to upload the video, the same video which is available on the GitHub Drive link in the description section of the video below. There you go. Michigan construction, and I'm going to use the prompt that we had. So you have this prompt. I paste here and remove the upload because this is an instruction, and that's it. All it does is it understands the video. It has created the demo, the agent, and once it's ready, by the time, let's look at where this was created. Let me refresh it, and you would see this is what we created. You can share this agent. You can find what agent is. You can pin the agent and things like that. So let's do here. The agent came back with all the details, the violation, and the compliance, and you can work with this agent to get more explanation. So continue watching this video series with more details, and all the description and the video file is in the description section of the video below. Again, thank you for watching.